Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send Dogecoin from Kucoin to Arculus Wallet in 2025. If you're holding Dogecoin on Kucoin and want to secure it in your Arculus Wallet for better safety and control, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Let's get started. First things first. Make sure you have both a Kucoin account with Dogecoin in it and an Arculus wallet set up on your device. If you don't have Arculus yet, download the app and create your wallet. It's user-friendly and super secure. Step 1. Open your Arculus wallet app and navigate to the Dogecoin section. Here, you'll find your unique wallet address. Copy this address carefully. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so no typos allowed. Think of this as your Dogecoin's new home address. Next, log into your Kucoin account on the website or app. Head over to the Assets or Wallets section and find your Dogecoin balance. Click on Withdraw next to Dogecoin. You'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. In the withdrawal form, select Dogecoin as the asset, paste the Arculus wallet address you copied earlier, and enter the amount you want to send. Don't forget to check the network. Make sure it's set to the correct one for Dogecoin, like the Dogecoin network, to avoid any failed transactions. Before you hit confirm, review everything twice. Kucoin might ask for a security verification, like 2FA, so have that ready. Once you're good, click withdraw and wait for the confirmation email or on-screen notification. The transaction usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Once it's done, open your Arculus wallet and check if your Dogecoin has arrived. If it has, great job, you've successfully moved your coins. Remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so always verify addresses and amounts. If you run into any issues, reach out to Kucoin or Arculus support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there in the crypto world.